Okay, so this is my Thrift boat that's got a 3D printed propeller system. It is attached to an old computer fan. The old computer fan is wired up to a toggle switch, which is connected to a 9-volt battery, and it is all housed in a just a little water bottle. So this is the Virgin Run. We're going to put it on and we're going to put it in the bathtub and we're going to see how it does. So, start your engines. Okay, so here we go. And you can see my propeller isn't really out of the water enough. So we got some work to do. We need some weight maybe in the bottom to help balance it out. So I'll try going and getting some junk to weigh it down and we'll see if we can get the propeller out of the air.